Hi everyone, I'm Tim, one of the co-founders of Just Applications, the team behind Giftship. Giftship was launched in 2017, and since then we've worked closely with thousands of Shopify merchants to refine it into what it is today. An all-in-one solution built to deliver real value for your Shopify store. Over the years, we've shipped hundreds of updates, optimizations, and new features, all designed to help merchants sell more, save time, and simplify their workflows. So what do we mean by all-in-one? Well, we mean the ability to add any functionality block to any location on your store. Think adding a gift message option to your product page, or a Datepicker and Upsells to Giftship's drawer cart. Through our option set tools, you can add anything anywhere and wrap it all in a layer of conditional logic. Adding this upsell to only display when that product is in the cart is a simple no-code experience with guaranteed compatibility with all of Giftship's tools. No more issues with apps running into conflicts with each other. Now, beyond the functionality blocks that you can add to your store, Giftship has best-in-class premium tools like Box Builder, Order Printer, and our multi-shipping tool that allows customers to send items to multiple shipping addresses within a single Shopify checkout. Now, the best part, this is all included in a single subscription price. Instead of requiring 10 apps to do 10 jobs, we spent nearly a decade building one app that can do it all. In the rest of this video, we'll give a quick introduction to each of Giftship's tools. If you scroll to the bottom of the video, you'll see timestamps that mark the starting point of each section. Okay, in this section, we'll be going over Giftship's product options, cart options, and checkout options tools. We'll leave the drawer cart options to a different section. There's a couple differences in how that's configured. So let's just focus on these three for now, and then we will address the drawer cart in a different section. So these three option sets all work in a very similar manner. They are going to give you the option to add functionality blocks to specific surface areas in your online store. So on product options, that's going to be within your product form. So on your product page, you're going to see this area right here. This is your product form. So above your add to cart button, below your product description is your product form. On your cart page, it's going to be above your checkout option. And then within checkout, if you're on Shopify Plus, you can add functionality blocks via Giftship's checkout options tool in a few different locations. So let's start out and find our demo product here so we can show you how this loads. So let's go ahead and open that up. And then we will go back into Giftship's product options and we will configure a product option set. So all of these tools are going to work in a very similar manner. It's going to show you a display screen here, and over here is your configuration section. So in terms of what functionality blocks can be added, the list is all right here. So you can add the upsells, date pickers, gift messages, file upload, etc. So depending on what functionality you want to offer your customer, what selections they can make, you can pick and choose what you want to show them. So let's go ahead and set up a demo block here, or a demo option set here with a couple blocks. Let's go ahead and add an upsell and a gift message. And let's make that gift message only viewable if the upsell is added. So in upsells, let's go ahead and choose which product we want to offer here. So let's go ahead and offer a gift message upsell product for $5 right there. Okay. And then let's go out and our gift message block. Let's choose to display all of these options. Let's always display the message options, so get rid of that hide reveal box. And then in display rules, let's only show the gift message block if the upsell has been selected. So in block conditions, if the upsell is selected, then we're going to show this box here. At a high level, there's setting options as well. You can rename the option set for internal purposes, enable the option set, you can choose to display it on all product pages, or you can display it on specific product pages or specific collections. So let's go ahead and find our snowboard product. We're only going to show this option set on the Shopify snowboard. So let's go ahead and save that there. Then let's refresh our product page, and we will see the product options now displaying within the product form. So we'll go ahead and add that gift message, and that's going to show us the to from gift message option. So cart options and checkout options work in a very similar manner. On the cart page, these options are going to display above the checkout button. So this is if you're using the full cart page. If you're using Giftship's drawer cart tool, it's going to bypass the full cart page for the most part. So you would just configure the options within the drawer cart tool instead. And then on checkout, which is only available for Shopify Plus, we're going to see those options display in different areas within the checkout itself. So we have this upsell list set up to display if Shopify Snowboard is found in the checkout. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart. Then we will go to checkout, and then we'll see that list of upsells display within the Shopify checkout, where then we can then go ahead and add them there. So that's a brief overview of the product, cart, and checkout options. So again, different functionality blocks that can be added to different surface areas in your online store. Next, we'll cover Giftship's drawer cart. Okay, in this section, we'll take a look at Giftship's drawer cart tool. The drawer cart is packed with features that really help augment that step during the purchasing flow of your customers. So on the storefront, we'll give you a quick look at how that works. It's going to trigger whenever a product is added to the cart, or whenever the cart is triggered in the header section there. So let's go ahead and add a product to the cart, and then we'll see that drawer cart slide in from the right hand side here and open up. So you can see here, lots going on. There's lots of functionality blocks added in this example. It's totally customizable. You can pick and choose the options that you want to give your customer. So here we have an upsell overlay functionality block, a free shipping threshold bar, carousel, upsell slider, delivery date picker, gift message tool, and then at the bottom here, the customer can continue shopping, go to the Shopify checkout, or go to Giftship's multiple shipping address process. So on the back end, let's take a quick look at how this can be put together. No coding required. It's all drag and drop, very easy to set up. So we can see here, there's different sections in that drawer cart, the header, body, and footer. In header, we have the free shipping threshold bar set up here. So we've set that amount to $101. So that's going to display that free shipping when $101 worth of cart value is exceeded. So we can see here right now we have $29. So let's go ahead and increase this amount, and then we'll see that free shipping threshold be reached. In the body section here, we have a couple of different upsell styles, that upsell list and that upsell overlay. So we can see here on the upsell list, we're offering 4 products as upsell options. On the storefront, we can see those 4 products here. We can go ahead and add any of those in there. And then in the footer, we have the Datepicker and gift message. So again, all these tools can be fully customized right here within the builder. So you can set up time constraints, number of days for a lead time, a cutoff time based on your time zone, and then you can manually disable dates if you don't want to offer weekend shipping. Sunday and Saturday can be blocked off, and then you can select specific dates to disable from that option as well. So this drawer cart, again, built to augment that step of the shopping flow, is triggered on the add to cart action or when the cart is opened up in any way. Okay, in this section, I'll give you a really quick preview of Giftship's Box Builder tool. It's a storefront-facing tool that allows your customers to build their own bundle or box and also add in different gifting options. So on the storefront, they're going to see a really easy-to-use builder. So all of these steps up here are totally customizable, as is all the other optionality within the app. So I'll just give you a quick preview of how a customer would navigate through this box builder. So step one, choose packaging. So let's go ahead and choose the tote bag. We'll go over to the next step. We'll add our products. We can filter up here. The cookies has different variants, so let's go ahead and choose the dozen cookies. We'll go to the next step, which is our gift card selection step. So let's go ahead and add a Mother's Day gift card. And then the final step, the customer can add in a custom gift message. They then add to cart. All of those items are neatly bundled into a single SKU here. And when they go to checkout, that is going to carry through. So you're going to see everything nicely bundled in a single SKU again. We have our Build-A-Box product, and then we have all of the contents down here, along with the form selections that were previously made. So on the back end, everything about the box builder is customizable. You can choose which type of steps you want, how many steps you want. You can set up pre-made box sizes that will charge a different base rate based on the number of contents or the total weight of the contents of the box. And then you can set up your own discount code types to incentivize customers to use the box builder. So you can set up a value-based discount. So say if a box value is over $20, you can automatically apply a 10% discount. Then you can also add static and box size discounts as well. Now there's a few different storefront layouts that you can choose from. The initial one I showed you there was the stack theme. So let's pull that up there. So this is the stack theme layout. Let me show you the parallel theme layout, which slightly reorients things. It adds the summary section as a sidebar. And as we go through the selection process, all of the contents get added over here. So just a different kind of way to lay things out. The app's fully optimized for mobile, so you're going to see the same mobile layout no matter which theme is chosen. So you're going to see this sticky footer bar down here. You're going to see a really nice box summary here and a really nice flow all around when using the app on mobile. So on the back end, when these orders come through to your store, very easy to fulfill, very clear to see which items are going in which box. So really, it's a storefront bundling tool with different gifting options layered on top. One of our more popular tools for sure. Okay, in this section, I'll give you a quick demo of Giftship's multiple shipping address tool. It's a storefront-facing tool that allows customers to send items to multiple shipping addresses within a single Shopify checkout. So let's go ahead and see how it works from the customer's point of view. We'll go ahead and we'll add a product to the cart. So we'll go ahead and add this gift message product. And then instead of going straight to checkout, we'll trigger Giftship's multiple shipping address tool. So let's go ahead and select this. So we have a gift message product here for $29. Let's go ahead and send this to 2 different addresses. So from here, we have the ability to select from a list of cached addresses. If your customer's logged in, it's going to pull through any address that is saved in their account, or if they're not logged in, it'll just pull through the cached addresses from a recent visit to your store. So we'll go ahead and choose one of those cached addresses. And of course, we can also enter in a new address. This is linked through to Google's API, which helps with address entry. So let's go ahead and add that address there, add in a phone number, and we'll go continue. Okay, we have our addresses entered in here. Let's go ahead to checkout. And here we're going to see different shipping rates and rules applied per address. So we can see here we're sending this gift message product to Ontario. So we see the different shipping rate options available here. This is all pulled through from your native shipping rate settings within Shopify. There's no configuration that's required when using this tool. We simply pull through what you already have set up. Using the app using this tool within Giftship is as simple as just enabling it. So for the order going to Ontario, let's choose Express Post. And for the order going to Victoria, we'll just do the regular Express. So we have a subtotal of $60 in products and then $47 for shipping. When we continue to payment, that's going to take us to the Shopify checkout, where we simply enter in our single billing address and single payment. Now, when this order flows through to the back end, you're going to see multiple orders come through for fulfillment purposes. So nothing about your fulfillment process has to change. You're going to see a unique order per address come through, which really simplifies the whole experience. Nothing about your fulfillment process needs to change when using this tool. So there's different storefront layout options for multi-ship. So within the multiple shipping address section here in the admin, you're going to see lots of configuration options in terms of how you want this to look and feel on the storefront, with a couple of different layout styles available. The standard cart is kind of more line by line. So whatever works for your store is available there. And we have some more storefront layout options coming soon. Well, that's just a quick look at some of Giftship's features. To summarize, Giftship offers a broad range of tools that work together cohesively on your storefront and during the fulfillment process. Everything is included in a single subscription plan, and no features are gated to a higher plan level. Whether you're just getting started on Shopify or you're a large enterprise that's been operating for years, our team is available to connect with you anytime. We love talking directly to merchants. And whether it's driving up revenue, streamlining the purchasing flow on the storefront, or anything else, we love to collaborate and help you achieve your goals.